Using the biosignals recorded by your smartwatch, VeoSens assesses your lifestyle and physical state and provides you with 4 scores: activity, fitness, heart, and sleep. Wearing your smartwatch for a minimum of 18 hours a day counts as 1 day, and at least 7 days' worth of data are required to generate your scores. Your scores will be updated daily based on your health data over the last 28 to 31 days. Your scores will fall into one of 5 categories: very low, low, fair, good, or excellent. That's why it's important to get into the habit of wearing your smartwatch. Here's how your scores are determined and how you can improve them. The activity score measures how physically active you are. Depending on what your heart rate is during physical activity, the intensity will fall into one of 3 categories: light, moderate, or vigorous. The more energy you exert during an activity, the more weight is given to your intensity minutes. For example, a power walk is given more weight than a light stroll, and a brisk jog over a power walk. You'll obtain higher scores if you log over 150 intensity minutes each week, and even higher scores if you go over 300 intensity minutes. The fitness score measures cardiorespiratory fitness by tracking the results of your regular physical activity. If your movements indicate exercise activity that's above moderate, your smartwatch will automatically detect it and measure your heart rate and the number of calories burned. Your moderate or vigorous level of activity, BMI, and resting heart rate are taken into account when determining your VO2 max. You could receive a higher fitness score if you improve your VO2 max by engaging in above-moderate exercise regularly. What is VO2 max, you ask? It's the maximum amount of oxygen your body utilizes while exercising. The higher your VO2 max is, the higher your cardiorespiratory endurance is. FYI, the average marathoner's VO2 max is around 77 to 85, while the average person's VO2 max is around 27 to 40. The heart score measures your heart health. It's a comprehensive score that's determined by your continuously monitored heart rate, which takes your age and gender into account. Keep in mind, the healthier one's heart is, the lower the resting heart rate is. Having a lower resting heart rate means your heart is working more efficiently by pumping less. You can improve this score by adopting healthy habits, such as regular exercise, managing your stress level, eating healthy, and getting adequate sleep. Finally, the sleep score is measured by how long, regularly, and well you're sleeping. You'll receive a higher score if you get restful sleep for about 7 to 9 hours a night and have the same bedtime and wake-up times. A good night's rest requires that you have the right proportion of light, deep, and REM sleep. How much you wake, move, and spend in each sleep stage also affects your overall sleep score. Sleep well at night by getting plenty of sunshine during the day, avoiding caffeine in the late afternoon, and adjusting the temperature, brightness, and noise level of your room to create an optimal sleep environment. Just tap on Information to learn more about the scores. As your health scores improve, feel your overall health improve as well.